Tooth whitening is a way of lightening and brightening the teeth using a prescription substance called hydrogen peroxide, and it can be done in surgery or with home trays. The difference between Zoom laser whitening and home whitening is the process of how it happens. So your Zoom whitening is done in surgery, and it's a bit more of an accelerated process, so it allows you to get up to 12 shades lighter in the 2-hour session that you're here. With that, you get your home trays as well, so you can top up your sessions at home. Home whitening is just, you get more or less the same results from the Zoom, different on every patient, and it's just it just takes a bit more longer, a bit more gradual to get to the end result. Whitening does and does not cause sensitivity. It depends on each patient. So if you're someone that does suffer with sensitive teeth already, it can obviously make your teeth a little bit more sensitive, sort of short term. If you use stuff like Sensodyne toothpaste and things like that, it'll help sort of minimise the sensitivity. The whitening that we use, the Philips Zoom, it actually contains activated calcium phosphate, which is called nervamine, and it's what is in Sensodyne toothpaste. So it helps sort of desensitise the teeth a little bit, so you don't get that long-term or short-term sensitivity. Results vary from each patient. Again, it goes on age, it goes on your teeth, things that you've had done to them, and then it just goes on, obviously, if you drink tea, coffee, red wine, anything that heavily stains the teeth. So results can usually last a couple of years. Obviously, if you're doing all of those things like drinking heavily pigmented foods and drinks, it's going to minimise the effects. The benefits of using Zoom over the home whitening is the fact that you get that more of an instant result. So obviously the home trays, they're designed to just gradually build you up. You use the hydrogen peroxide, same thing regardless for the Zoom and the home trays. It's just that it takes a little bit of a longer time frame to get to the end results, whereas the Zoom, you sit in the surgery and we do it all for you essentially with a light. The light actually accelerates the process a little bit more for you.